We are the Group 3!
And we're going to show you the parts and explain the function of the CPU.
And we will also show how to assemble the different parts of the CPU.
But before we proceed, don't forget to hit the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe!
Okay, so the first part of the CPU is the motherboard. The motherboard is the main part of the CPU. It is the membrane, and its purpose is where all of the parts of the other parts of the CPU will communicate the information relay back and forth in the motherboard.
CPU is a piece of hardware that carries out the instruction of a computer program. It performs the basic arithmetical, logical, and input or output operation of a computer system, the brains of the computer.
Okay, SATA cable is a computer bus interface that connects host bus adapters to mass storage devices such as hard disk drives, optical drives, and solid-state drives. Serial ATA succeeded the older parallel ATA or the PATA standard, offering several advantages over the older interface: reduced cable size and cost for faster data transfer.
RAM is considered volatile memory, which means that the stored information is lost when there is no power, so RAM is used by the Central Processing Unit, CPU, when a computer is running of stored information that it needs to be used very quickly, but it does not store any information permanently.
Hard drive is a data storage device that was magnetic storage to store and retrieve digital information using one or more rigid rapidly rotating disks, platters coated with magnetic materials.
Okay guys, this is the ACD-ROM. So, ACD-ROM is a CD that can be read by a computer with an optical drive. The ROM part of the terms means that the data disk is the read-only, or cannot be altered or based. Because of these features and their large capacity, CD-ROMs are the great media format for retail software.
A power supply is an electrical device that supplies electric power to an electric load. The primary function of a power supply is to convert electric current from a source to the correct voltage, current, and frequency to power the load.
Video card connects to the motherboard of a computer system and generate output images to display.
Okay na.
Ayun.
Start again. Sige na. Stop game again.
Okay, stop na.
What man?
Saan yung bed?
Ande, on the side. Oo. Hello.
Sige! Asa mo mula ko nila? Saan to lang sa kapayapan?
Wait.
Okay na.
Sige push.
Someone.
Yan, Jay!
Yes!
Doon ang power.
Kaya, sir.
Lagi dah, hindi bawa sa baba.
Depende.
Kurangan Russell Ricky pating apps no ay.
Bosan. Bosan.
Post.
Sakya oh, sige ah.
Sabi. Kin sabi, you want to say?
Problema, total. Just hope this works. Just post it.
Ang krono lang body hearts.
Ang nagkatuwa na ba nato?
Ayun yung ayun na yung manit!
Pause first.
Post.
Kung yung miss di ko ano, di...
First, down. The light. Okay, go up.
Okay.
Go up. Go up.
No,
Okay na.
With all that, our
Yun na lang sa first.
First yan. Okay na.
Yung balik mo yun sa ano. Krono betang para station stars. Ano yung